As the saying goes, it's fall, y'all, and sweater weather is upon us. So I welcome the coziest time of the year with unboxing our newest Mani by Me collection. So this Mani by Me leaves behind the witch work of Halloween and warms it to the golden moments of autumn memories. So each box, you'll receive 2 early release stamping polishes. So this chocolatey brown duochrome stamping polish has micro shifting greens and gold shimmers. And the next color I have here is called Pistachio. And we do have 2 exclusive plates. So the first one is going to be MXM065. The next plate is MXM066. And for the finale, this month's gift will be your custom nail art protectors. So we're hoping this collection inspires you to create some new memories and gather with the ones that you love.